Hello people! Today we'll be visiting Emaar Square, one of the first places that come to mind when it comes to luxury and prestige. Emaar Properties is one of the largest real estate companies in the world. The Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall, one of the largest entertainment and shopping centers in the world, are just a few of the projects they have. In Turkey, there are Rixos, Land of Legends, and Emaar Square. Now let me give you a little information about this project. This iconic project, located on the Anatolian side of Istanbul, is 10 minutes away from the financial center, 50 minutes away from the Baghdad Street, 30 minutes away from Taksim Square, and 35 minutes away from Sabiha Gokcen Airport. There are 4 different types of residences that are part of the shopping mall, and they're all directly connected to it. A different classical architecture has been established for every single person who wants to live here, who wants to have an alternative. Classical and traditional resident types consisting of 4 buildings. Height residence combining technology and comfort. Mall and office building. And the most magnificent is Address Istanbul Hotel with 180 rooms and 5 stars up to the 11th floor. And the luxury hotel type residence with 323 apartments consisting of 46 floors in total offers a magnificent city life to its residents. In the Address residence, different facilities such as spa and pool are being offered to both the residents of the hotel and the residents. Also worth mentioning that the residence and the hotel have 2 different entrances and exits. There are 5+1, 4+1, and 3+1 room types in the residence, and there's a restaurant terrace on the highest floor with an incredible 360-degree Bosphorus view. At the same time, once this terrace area is operational, it will be an important floor to accompany restaurants, nightclubs, and various organizations. I want to show you some of the possibilities this magnificent building has to offer before I take you to an amazing apartment with a beautiful view of Istanbul. Some of the social areas are Skyview Terrace, outdoor and indoor swimming halls, kids club, and gyms. This is the Address residence and we're on the 29th floor. It has a total of 46 floors, whereas the first 11 floors are in a hotel concept and the rest are residences. Of course, you can buy a residence and live inside it on your own, or you can sign a contract with the hotel and they will rent out the apartment for you. And I think that's quite a big comfort. As long as you live here, you live in the comfort of a hotel because your apartment will be cleaned weekly, and also you'll have a special storage area for your apartment. As soon as you enter your apartment, you'll have a smart system panel to your right. On this screen, you can basically check every information about your home and even connect to the lobby. You can also check the traffic situation. Now let's take a look at our amazing apartment. As soon as we enter the home, there's a large and wide hall that welcomes us. Both the residences and the interiors of the homes offer you a modern architectural design which is contemporary and also makes the residence feel in comfort. Now let's take a look. So here's our bedroom, and first of all, we have a beautiful ensuite bathroom to our right. Very important that we have 2 sinks, because if you wake up in the morning and you want to get ready and your partner also wants to get ready, you won't have to wait for one another. Okay, so here we have a mirror. How do I like it? Okay, my hair is good. Okay, I like it. Okay, our bedroom is beautiful. We have a TV to our left. In case we get bored, we also have a beautiful view right there. And when we go this way through the hall, we have a beautiful large dining table here. It's big enough for a family of 6 or even more if you use your fantasy. And to our left, there's a kitchen. You have everything you need in this kitchen. It has a beautiful view of the Bosphorus and the city, and you can actually enjoy this view while cooking. And there's something that I want to show you too. Surprise! It's another bathroom. Now, I love the fact that in this house, you don't have to wait in case of an emergency, and I think that's great. And here we have our living room. And you might have noticed that there is no wall, no door, nothing between the living room and this area, the hall and the kitchen. But this column you see right here kind of works as a separation, which I think is great because the architectural design actually is very useful in this home. Let me take a seat. Sitting here and enjoying the quietness, because they designed this place in such a way that even though you're located in a very, very central area, you don't hear anything from the outside. So it's quiet, it's spacious. This place is a total of 204 square meters. And as I mentioned before, and as you can see, it is designed in a quite elegant way. Now let's move on. I want to show you a little bit more. Okay, here we have again an ensuite bathroom. I love it that you can have a quiet moment anywhere in this place. And then here to our left and to our right, we have 2 different bedrooms. Inspired by Istanbul's wide streets and squares, Emaar Square creates a great living space by combining the energy of Istanbul with the concept of a shopping center, entertainment, hotel, office, and residence. This building is nothing like the conventional shopping malls. It was created with the theme of 4 seasons and offers a pleasant shopping experience. The most important thing here is that there's a Turkish bazaar of traditional products reflecting Turkish culture in the middle of the shopping center. There are 491 stores with indoor and outdoor areas and more than 500 luxury brands. In addition to these, there are playgrounds where you can have a pleasant time with your loved ones, the giant aquarium that hosts more than 20,000 animals, the Illusion Museum, and much more. In other words, they have gathered everything you need in one place. many alternatives to visit and live in here in Emaar Square. You can contact us for advantageous offers on this project. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome stuff. See you guys in another project.